Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about one of the simplest ways to earn passive income using ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to create and sell your own book on Amazon using these tools, and how you can potentially earn money from it. Whether you're interested in writing children's adventures, self-development books, or any other subject, this video is for you. The amount of money you can potentially earn from selling your book on Amazon using ChatGPT and Midjourney AI will depend on various factors such as the book genre, the quality of the content, the marketing efforts, and the price point. Amazon provides a royalty of up to 70% of the book's sale price to the author, depending on the price of the book, the territories it is sold in, and other factors. Assuming that your book sells for $10 and you earn a royalty of 70%, you would earn $7 for each book sold. If you sell 100 books a month, that would amount to $700 in earnings per month. Let's take a look at how much sellers of children's storybooks make overnight. For example, this item has 5,431 reviews. Assuming that every 10th buyer leaves a review, that means this book has sold 54,310 copies. If we multiply that by the price of the book, which is $13, it turns out that the seller earned over $700,000 from this book alone. It's amazing. Here's an example with 14,643 reviews. We do the same multiplication and get almost $2 million. Another small example is a book with 1,274 reviews, and through simple calculations, we find out that the seller made around $200,000 from just this book. Now let me step by step tell you how to easily create your own book with the help of AI and earn money from it. Step 1. Choose the topic of the book. The first step is to choose the topic of the book. It can be anything from children's adventures to self-development books. Once you have decided on the topic, you can move on to the next step. Here's a list of popular genres and topics of books that you can successfully sell through Amazon. For example, I choose travel and adventure. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to write the script. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model that can generate human-like text. You can use it to write the script of your book. Start by inputting a few keywords related to your topic and let ChatGPT do the rest. It will generate a script for your book in a matter of minutes. Open the ChatGPT platform and write something like this prompt: write a script for a children's book about the adventures of children in a children's camp, how the children went in search of a treasure and found it. This is just an example. The more accurately you describe the task, the more interesting the scenario will turn out. You can also ask ChatGPT to give you a hint about what your book will be about. Next, we ask ChatGPT to further elaborate on each chapter, breaking them down into small paragraphs to create several pages, and then we move on to our next neural network. Step 3. Use Midjourney AI to create images. Midjourney AI is an AI-powered image generation tool. You can use it to create images for your book. Simply input the description of the scene you want to create, and Midjourney AI will generate a high-quality image for you. Here are some steps to use Midjourney AI to create images for your book. Choose a visual style. Midjourney offers a range of visual styles to choose from, including hand-drawn, cartoon, and realistic. Choose a style that suits the theme of your book. I chose a cartoon style. Once you have chosen a style, input the image prompt. This could be a description of a scene from your book or a specific image you want to create. My prompt looks like this. Midjourney AI will generate the image based on the prompt and the chosen visual style. You can refine the image by adjusting the settings, such as the color palette or line thickness. Download and save the image. Once you are happy with the image, download and save it to your computer. You can then use it in your book as desired. Repeat for other images. If you need more images for your book, repeat the process for each image, adjusting the visual style and prompt as necessary. Step 4. Combine the script and images. Once you have the script and images ready, you can combine them to create the book. You can use any free software to combine the script and images, such as Canva. Sign in to Canva and create a new project. Choose the book size and format you want to use. Upload the images you created using Midjourney into Canva. You can do this by clicking on the Uploads tab on the left-hand side of the screen and selecting the images you want to use. Use the text tool in Canva to add the script text to your project. You can choose from a range of fonts, sizes, and colors to make the text stand out. Format the text to make it look visually appealing and easy to read. You can do this by adjusting the font size, spacing, and alignment. Once you are happy with the final product, download and save it to your computer. You can then upload it to Amazon to publish your book. Combining the script and images in Canva can help you create a visually appealing and engaging book that readers will love. Step 5. Format the book for Amazon. Amazon has specific requirements for the format of books that are uploaded to their platform. You will need to format your book according to their guidelines. Here are some of the basic requirements for publishing an ebook on Amazon. File format. Amazon accepts ebooks in the following file formats: MOBI, EPUB, DOC, Docs, PDF, HTML, TXT, RTF, and KPF. The preferred format is .mobi, which is optimized for Kindle devices and apps. The ebook must be original content that you own the rights to. It cannot contain excessive use of images or other copyrighted material without permission. The ebook must have a cover image that is at least 1000 pixels on the longest side and saved as a JPEG or TIFF file. Book metadata. This includes the book title, author name, book description, categories, keywords, and pricing information. The ebook must meet Amazon's quality standards, which include formatting, spelling, and grammar. ISBN. While an ISBN is not required for ebooks, it is recommended if you plan to distribute your ebook outside of Amazon. These are some of the basic requirements for publishing an ebook on Amazon. It's important to review Amazon's guidelines and terms of service to ensure that your ebook meets all the requirements and is eligible for publishing. Step 6. Upload the book to Amazon. Once your book is formatted correctly, you can upload it to Amazon. You will need to create an account on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing platform and follow the steps to upload your book. Ensure that your book file meets Amazon's requirements, including the file format and quality standards. Click on the Create a New Title button and enter your book title, author name, and book description. Upload your book file and cover image. Enter the book details, including the categories, keywords, and pricing information. Use the previewer to preview your book and make sure everything looks correct. Publish your book. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click on Save and Publish to publish your book on Amazon. Step 7. Promote your book. The final step is to promote your book. You can use various marketing techniques to promote your book, such as social media advertising, email marketing, and book review websites. The more you promote your book, the more passive income you can generate. Offer a free chapter or excerpt from your book to entice readers and get them interested in your book. Use Amazon ads. Amazon offers several advertising options, including sponsored products and product display ads. These ads can help increase visibility and sales of your book. Reach out to book bloggers and reviewers who specialize in your book's genre and offer them a free copy of your book in exchange for an honest review. There are several book promotion services that can help you promote your book to a wider audience, such as BookBub, Goodreads, and BookGorilla. Use one or more promotion methods to get more visibility and sales. That's it for today's video on how to make passive income with ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. We hope you found this video helpful. With the help of ChatGPT and Midjourney AI, creating a book and generating passive income has never been easier. Remember, the key to success is to choose a topic that people are interested in and to promote your book effectively. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts and feedback. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.